The ZC Chicks.
I just realized that we could do a video vlog now, since we're walking around. Because we just...
Dude, we wanted to go to fucking town.
Yeah, we know. Let's go.
Oh, shit.
So, okay.
You know we're supposed to have a thunderstorm, right?
Oh, damn, that's kinky. I'm joking, but, we're gonna go get monsters.
Hi, guys. Vlog.
Yeah.
Vlog.
It's 4:30.
And there's a thunderstorm gonna happen, but
We're going to go get some monsters.
whatever. Yeah, like our last vlog. Monsters again.
We just finished our
Justin
video.
Bieber video.
Can I please take this off now?
Yeah,
I
you
don't want to
can.
like walk into the store and be like,
You're gonna love it. It's so funny.
don't
You guys
I
like my hair?
Don't I look sexy as a dude?
I really like my hair this dark.
I look sexy as a dude. You're gonna love it. There's parts where you might think.
When we were doing our vlog, my camera died, so.
Sugar.
I'm going home now, and when we get home, we're gonna be editing videos and trying to get them up.
Fun.
3 new videos are gonna be on. Should we put this one on first, or I don't know?
We should put the
Justin Bieber one up. Since you guys have been bragging about
one before that.
Don't.
Can see one thing?
The what? Oh, behind the scenes of Justin Bieber. Yeah, put that one first. Yeah. Hat's too big. Kind of.
My hat
Alex's hat.
that I stole.
Yeah. Can you hold this? My arm's hurting. Thank you. Your hands in the way. You got a little green.
Okay.
Yeah, on your cheek. What?
Would you like some? Oh, wow. I'm not doing good at holding this camera.
It's like on your cheek. Right there. Okay, fine, I'll hold it. Give me it.
Oh!
I just feel like stupid carrying around a camera. Oh, it's kind of cold. She's mocking me again.
I'm walking downstairs.
Oh, it's gonna storm, you guys. Ew. I'm really cold.
I'm not.
There's a car coming, and I feel stupid.
Car's up.
I'm just gonna have it this way so I don't. It's green. Dude, that car was just like looking at us. It's spring. Why is it this cold? This is not fair.
That's right.
Ew! She just spit that. Just wait. Ew. Nice. And your teeth are all green. Smile, Brenda. Smile. Well, I'm almost home, so.
We have like a block.
No, my house is right there.
Yours is up there.
Yeah, exactly.
We have a block.
I don't want to carry this anymore. Goodbye.
Ew. Green spit. Oh!
What?
It's on your back! It's on your back! Where? Get off! Hold on. Wait. Oh, wait, step! You got a spider right there? Wait, no, it's not. It's on your back. Get it off! Get it off! No! I don't like spider! Get it! What happened to Wait. It's right here. Ew. I squished it. Ew.
Ew. Oh, I hate spiders.
You know what? I squished it with my hand.
Was there really a spider on me?
It was like a brown one.
Are you sure it's gone? Are you sure? Ugh.
Nope, it's right there. Oh god, get it off. There's parts at least.
Ew! Get out!
Get out! On the camera!
Was this entertaining, you guys?
Ew.
Oh, I hate spiders.
Hey, I got it. There's dead body parts there. Right here.
Ew.
On, you got some on your cheek. That is how we call funny.
Oh, wait, look at this little kid running. That little person right there running. Ew, I'm so scared. Wait, that's not a little person, huh? Ew.
Hey, that was really funny. Now we should have a competition to run to your house.
No.
Ready?
No.
Set, go. I'm king of the world! Okay, so this is goodbye. Jordan, say goodbye.
Bye, guys.